Alright guys, so we just filled up and we're gonna do a round trip and then come back to the same gas station right here, pump 9. So the way I do it is let it go all the way until the pump shuts off, then wait 10 seconds and hit it again, and that's it. That's how I'll fill it up. That's how I just filled it up, and that's how I'm going to do it when we come back from this round trip. And then we're going to see what we're getting per gallon. So it's going to be mostly highway run. Speed limit is 55. I'm probably going to be doing about 60. We do have a couple of sections where we're going to go in town that are 35 and 45. But yeah, it's going to be about 90%. Well, probably like 80% of the drive is gonna be about 60 miles an hour. So let me hit the road and I'm gonna continue this video when I get back to the to the pump and see what we get. Alright guys, so we're back at the same gas station. It's a little bit later. We did 44.2 mile round trip back at the same pump number 9. So let's go fill her up and see what we get. 87, and let's go. Oh, come on. Let's see. And like I said, we did 44.2 mile round trip, and I calculated that we did about 19 miles through all the 35 and 45 sections. And probably about so here we go. I'm gonna wait 10 seconds and continue filling it up. And we did maybe like 5 or 6 traffic lights, so not too bad as far as the traffic and stuff, the in-town drive. Let me hit it again. Let's see. Okay, 2.2. So not bad at all. So yeah guys, not bad at all. Basically we did like 20 miles per gallon on this Silverado. It's a 44 mile round trip that we did. About 19 miles were pretty much in town. We did about 5-6 traffic lights like I said earlier. I did do one hard acceleration because I almost missed one of my other stops, and that's the other thing. I actually made 2 stops in town with me shutting the truck off for about 2-3 minutes at each stop. And yeah, so we're still getting 20 miles to a gallon with a 2000 Silverado 5.3. with after now I fixed the catalytic issue and the O2 sensors, and now we got the intake. So next time I guess we're gonna do another run when I'm towing a vehicle and see how much what kind of mileage we're getting with me towing. The best mileage that I've ever got with this truck towing a light vehicle was a 4-door Kia Sorento, I believe, like a 2014-15 or whatever, and an 18-foot trailer with a wooden deck, a PJ trailer. I did about 16 miles to a gallon on the highway. That's without me pushing it, and doing about 65 miles an hour pretty much the whole time. So that's like the best mileage that I've ever gotten. But basically that's gonna be it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed. So hit that like and subscribe button for me. So I'll catch you on the next video. Stay safe, be blessed.